Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about the Spa Wizard, and I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to run this, and then you can see how fast this actually is. So what Spa Wizard is it's actually taking the export from your selling platform and creating a spa ready Excel spreadsheet for you, and then all you have to do is plug that into Spa and you're ready to go. So what we're going to do is just open up the app and then click Let's Make Magic. So step one, upload the CSV. So this is exactly what it sounds like. So that CSV is going to be your metadata sheet from your selling platform. So we'll click there and you can see it's already uploaded. Now we're going to upload our templates list. And if you haven't made your templates list, go check out my tutorial on how to create those lists. Same thing with the organization list. So there are two spreadsheets you're going to have to pre-make prior to using the Spa Wizard, and that's going to be your template list and your organization list. So we're going to go ahead and upload our template list, which is right here. And now we're going to upload our list of organizations, which is right here. And now you can see, so from that template list, here are all of the templates that I have currently uploaded into that. And as I mentioned in the template list tutorial, as you add additional templates, this will expand. And you only have to do that once. So once you've created that template, just add it into your template list and you will be good to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and click on a couple of these templates. And these are just templates that we're going to use to run Spa. As one batch, it will actually switch to these templates automatically. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit next. And now I want to choose my organization. So I'm just going to choose, we'll just stick with the YMCA is fine. And what that's doing, again, if you go back to my other tutorial, this is not only going to put in the organization's name, but it's also going to change the colors based on that organization or whatever post action you decided. So we're going to go ahead and hit next, export CSV. And then what I'm going to do is just add this in. So we'll just call this tutorial and I'm going to hit save, and that CSV has been created. So you can see how quickly that actually works. So what I'm going to do is actually just create a new spreadsheet here, and we are going to import that spreadsheet into here so you can see exactly what's going on with this. And I want to kind of break this down real quick. I believe we actually created this for 3 different templates. So you can see over here, there's our template file. So starting from the left, as you can see, it automatically created the SPA column with all of your PNG layers. I've got my name, I've got a resize, which this resize, just to be fair, is actually it's going to be taken out. We created this before Damon updated the Spa template. So this resize name is actually going to be put into your template for creation. Now, player 2 file, this is actually taking whatever your last image is and it's automatically creating it for those dual player templates. So if you have a template where you've got the player in the back and then the same player in the front, giving them that dual image, this is going to take that last image, and there will be an update in a newer version that you'll be able to choose what image that is, or you can make it random. The player 3 file, this is actually creating as a team PNG. So what it's essentially doing is creating the team as a PNG, or it's telling it it's a PNG. So if you save it as a PNG, you can do PNG memory mates. So here's your group and here's your team file. Now it is important that you are saving your team file exactly the same as it is in your PSD. So for instance, we use got photo, or I'm sorry, in your spreadsheet. So for instance, we use got photo, and this is exactly how the export is kicking out that data. So we have to make sure that we save this exactly how it is. Now the organization right here is we had YMCA, so that'll populate as team name. And then here are my post actions. So it's going to change the colors. And what I really want to show you guys is, so here is, I clicked on Ascend as one of our templates, and it created it for every child. And then right here, it actually switches to Band of Brothers, but it also switches the append. So now I've essentially got a code _12 for Band of Brothers. So if I look through my orders and I see _12, I know how much Band of Brothers has been ordered. So it's a good way to kind of keep up with your statistics as well by adding in that append. And then you can see Ascend is _MM. And then as I scroll down, I believe I had one more template, lit, which we constitute as a standard. And so it does not have _MM. It's just _1 standard. Again, however you guys want to file this is completely up to you. And that will be automatically set up in your template list prior to running the spa wizard. So as you can see, essentially now what I would do is download this and then plug this into Spa, and I'm ready to go. And it will actually run all three of these templates in one swift run, which is super exciting. You can kind of set this to go at 5 o'clock as you clock out, and in the morning, these should all be done. So beautiful, beautiful thing. So if you guys have any questions on the Spa Wizard, let me know, and we will rock and roll.